Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make an origami ninja star. The simplest bit of origami you can learn how to make. Also, it's a lot cooler if you use card paper, just because when you throw it, it just feels better when you use card paper. So we're going to start off by making a square. I'm also just using some mini square paper. I don't know the dimensions, but it's probably like A5 or something. Then just fold it along that line there. Make a good crease. Now we're just going to rip it along there, or you could use scissors. Then we're going to do the same to another bit of paper. Well, that's only because I want two colours though. Oh. And now you can either fold the square in half, cut it along there, or you can just use these two bits here. So what we're going to do now is we're just going to fold it in half with both of them, like from there to there. So it doesn't really matter if you have a rip in it like that. That doesn't matter like at all. Now what we're going to do is we're going to fold it in half from that side to that side. Then we're going to fold one side up, the other side down. So that line there to the middle crease. Now we're going to fold the bottom side to the middle crease. So it looks like that. Now we're going to get the other piece, and we're going to do the same thing but a little bit different. So on this one we folded this side up and the other side down. Well, we're just going to do the opposite, so we're going to fold this side down and that side up. Now what we're going to do is we're going to flip them both over and see their opposite. Now what we're going to do is we're going to be folding that line there to the middle line here. We're going to be doing the same on the bottom. And see how I have a little bit of excess hanging over the edge there. If you just cut one of these squares in half, you most likely wouldn't get any excess. So what you're going to do is you're just going to cut off that excess. But so after you cut off the excess, if you're doing it how I'm doing it, you just put one on the table, get the other one, put it on top like that. Then you just lift that up, tuck that one in. Do the same for this side. Now it's going to look like this. Now you flip it over. And what you're going to do, since you can't actually lift any flap up because we've just folded in there, we're just going to slightly open it. And we're just going to push it in. Then we're going to do the same to the other side. We're just going to... Well, I can't open the other side enough. Just going to open it and push it in. like that. Now you're all finished. So please like, comment and subscribe. That's only 3 things, pretty easy. All the buttons are pretty close to each other as well. I mean, the comment button you have to type a bunch of letters, but that's about it.